I mentioned earlier that for this particular use case for our site, we don't need to have a registration form publicly visible because we're going to add all of our contributors and all of our trusted users manually. So we can, in this case, disable the registration form, which will prevent a certain level of abuse since that form won't even be available to the public. So I'll jump back to the browser where I'm logged in as an administrator, and we can set this by going to Configuration, People, and Account Settings. As we scroll down, we see that it currently is set to visitors, but administrator approval is required. And we're going to set this now to administrators only. So this is for who can register accounts. And I'll scroll down, and we'll leave the rest of the settings and click Save Configuration. So now normally, if a user was not logged in, they could go to the user/register page and register for a new account, but now they get an access denied. Okay, so that will help.